Hello guys and welcome to Big Bang Crypto. On this video I want to take a look at the actual Bitcoin chart and tell you what I expect is Bitcoin's next move, and I also want to take a quick look at the Cardano chart. So right here you can see the live chart of Bitcoin compared to the US dollar, um, and it's the 1 hour chart, and as you can see we are building this falling wedge. And before I tell you more about it, please look at the Fibonacci tool, retracement tool right here, and as you can see it works perfectly after this big movement in the last 48 hours. You can see that Bitcoin, after it reached nearly $11,200, has been falling down to the 61% level of Fibonacci and has bounced up again and is now moving in this falling wedge. And so I want you to focus on this really powerful tool that is showing us exactly what Bitcoin will do, and you can use it to understand the moves of Bitcoin. So, and now this falling wedge, as you can see, and to understand what is if you don't know, this is a bullish pattern. As you can see, there is a high probability that Bitcoin will break out of this resistance line and move to the upside. And even if Bitcoin falls down and goes through this support line, then there is also a high probability that the Bitcoin price will move to turn around and move to the upside. So here's also an example for that. So we have a massive movement to the upside, then moving in this falling wedge, and then it breaks out. It also can, after the breakout, come a little bit down and then move high again. And when I look at this, I expect that the Bitcoin price, because it is getting closer and closer to this resistance line, that there is a high probability that in the next hours and days, maybe 2 days, we will see a huge breakout out of this resistance line to the upside, and the target is, like I showed you in yesterday's video, $13,500. I think there's a high probability by using the Fibonacci retracement tool. So I recommend watching my yesterday's video. There I explain why I think $13,500 is very likely in the not so distant future. And I also want to take a quick look at Cardano, and as I showed you in yesterday's video, there has been building a huge head and shoulders reversal pattern, which also is a bullish pattern, and I expect Cardano to break out of this neckline or resistance line that you are seeing right now. And I expect that when Bitcoin has its next big move to the upside, Cardano will follow like it did yesterday, and then there is a high probability that Cardano will go up all the way to the 15-cent area. All right, and that would be a huge gain, over 50% right now. So take a look at that, guys, and I'm waiting for Cardano to break the 10-cent level, hold it, and then I think there's a high probability for Cardano to move to the upside. And in history has shown that Cardano follows the Bitcoin movement. So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope it's helpful. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe so that this channel can grow and we can help the crypto community. Thank you very much.